Welcome back to my channel, you guys. And if you're new, welcome. It's your girl Nini, the Haitian girl, the crazy girl. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that button, y'all. Hit that subscribe button and let a sister know that you're here to stay. But today I'm back with a short video, y'all. Do not be mad with me because look, I was having a hard time doing this look. But y'all already know the routine. I started off with my NYX primer. Sorry, y'all. And now I'm putting my NYX Dewy all over my face right now. I love that thing. And now I'm going in my Juvia's palette. Y'all, I will have it listed down below because I literally forgot what it's called. But yeah, I took that orange shade and I'm just tapping that into my shadow, my eyelids. And I'm going back in that palette and I'm dabbing on that purple. That blue purple. That thing looks so cute, y'all. And I'm using this Too Faced flat brush. And I'm just tapping that on my lid onto the orange. Now I'm going back with that same brush. I just flipped it around and I'm basically trying to blend out the purple and the orange together just to take away that harsh line. And now I kind of went back. I'm going back and forth with the first brush I used to apply the orange shadow, and now I'm going back with the smaller brush to blend it out, to make sure that the shadows are seamless and we don't have any harsh lines. And now I'm going in my Morphe palette. Oh, girl, let me tell you something. This palette, I heard they're not selling this palette no more, but baby, thank God I done, cop that bit when I had the chance. It ain't going nowhere. But yeah, I just took that purple blue color and I'm just putting that right on top of that purple shade I applied in my Juvia's palette, and I'm just deepening the crease. And I'm using my Real Technique brush, and now I'm going back with the purple that I applied first, and I'm just going back and forth, just applying the colors because I felt like they were, it was going away. So I had to go back and apply those colors. Y'all, let me tell you something. I had to do my cut crease off camera because y'all see that patch on my eye? You see that? You see what happened? You saw what happened? I left the fan on while I was doing my makeup, knowing that I do not do that on the regular. I left the fan on and my eyes start tripping. So that's what happened to me, y'all. You see it. We make mistakes. But because I love y'all, I kept it going. But I used that lime green shadow from my BH Cosmetics palette. And then I used that yellow shade in the Juvia's palette. And now I'm going back in the Juvia's palette. And I'm going in with that orange. Y'all like them colors together? Those cute. Yes, y'all. You see, I had to do it off camera, y'all. I had to. I just couldn't do it, y'all. I couldn't do it. I was getting mad, and I was just like, you know, that's what I get. That's what I get. But I hope you guys like the look. And now I'm using my Instapop flat foundation brush. I love this brush. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. I love this brush. And I'm just going to tap, 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 tap. Yes, tap that foundation in, baby girl. Y'all, I took out my hair, y'all. So I'm gonna be having my natural hair out for a minute now. And now I'm going in with Fawn. You already know the routine. Take that baby girl Fawn. Gonna put her under my eyes. Yeah. Yes, girl, highlight, sis. You know what's so funny? I feel like that's how fast I was really moving, regardless of the edits. Look at that. You see that? I was so mad. Do you see that? Look at that patch. Look at that puddle. Look at that pond. Look at that lake. Girl, it's okay, girl. It's okay. We all make mistakes. Don't be ashamed. And now I'm going in and, you know, I'm using the same brush to blend out my concealer. Yeah. Girl, I was talking mad crap. Damn, I must have been that mad for real. And now I'm taking my Ulta Beauty sponge, and I'm going in under the eyes. Contour, baby. Contour. Boom. Yes. Y'all see it. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.